Download this Facebook simulation app link in the description. Go ahead and run it. When the app opens, you'll see a text box on the screen. This is where you need to paste the Facebook profile link. Now open your Facebook app and search for the profile you want to check. I'm selecting this profile right now. Once the profile opens, tap on the three-dot menu. And at the bottom you'll see the option Copy Profile Link. Just tap on Copy Link. The profile link is now copied to your clipboard. Now go back to the Facebook simulation app. Paste the copied link into this box. And then click on the Search ID button. The app will now start analyzing the profile. Within a few seconds, the process will begin automatically. After the scan is complete, you'll see the basic public information and a security indicator related to the Facebook profile you searched. Next, tap on the Start Simulation button at the bottom of the page. At this stage, you'll see multiple options on the screen. Only select the options that I have toggled on. Leave all other options unchecked. Once you've selected only those specific options, click on the Fetch Details button at the bottom. Now the app will begin the simulation hacking process automatically. You don't need to do anything here, just sit back and relax. This process may take a couple of minutes, as the app analyzes weak security settings in the simulation. Once that's done, it will move to the decryption phase, which only takes a few seconds. After that, you'll see the simulation results on the screen, showing Facebook account credentials such as a fake user ID and a fake password generated by the app. Now it's time to test the result and check whether the simulation is correct or not. To verify this, open the Facebook app again. Here, enter the user ID. Then type the password shown by the simulation app. And tap on the Login button. As you can see, the simulation shows the login is successful, and the Facebook account interface opens. Here, you can view the timeline screen. Now go to the menu section, open the profile details, and compare them carefully. As you can see, yes, they match the same Facebook profile shown earlier.